Right now, Pi is in what's called the enclosed mainnet phase. This means that while users are earning coins, those coins can't yet be traded for dollars, Bitcoin, or any other currency outside the Pi ecosystem. They exist only within the Pi app and its community. Users can send Pi to each other or spend it in apps and marketplaces built on the platform. However, you won't find Pi listed on external exchanges just yet, so its value is still being determined by the community itself. The global Pi community is eagerly awaiting the launch of the open mainnet. That's when Pi could finally be listed on major exchanges, allowing users to trade it for other cryptocurrencies or even cash. When that day comes, the real test of Pi's value and its future as a digital currency will truly begin. Investors, users, and crypto enthusiasts alike are watching closely to see what happens next. For now, Pi remains a massive, ongoing experiment in making cryptocurrency truly accessible to people everywhere, regardless of background or resources. Only time will tell if it can live up to its promise. So, why is Pi Network suddenly everywhere? What's behind the buzz that has everyone talking? The answer lies in its massive, ever-growing community, tens of millions of users from nearly every country, all joining in before the coin is even tradable on major exchanges. What makes Pi so accessible is its incredibly low barrier to entry. You don't need to invest money, buy expensive mining rigs, or have technical expertise. All you need is a smartphone and an invite code from a friend. This clever viral referral system has turned every user into an ambassador, fueling exponential growth as people invite friends, family, and even strangers to join the network. The dream of getting in early on what could be the next big cryptocurrency has drawn in those who missed out on Bitcoin's early days, hoping not to repeat the same regret. Mining Pi is simple and feels almost effortless. Just tap your phone once a day. There's no risk of losing money, but the potential for future rewards keeps people coming back. The app is designed to encourage community interaction, and the constant buzz on social media and forums keeps users excited and engaged. Regular updates and transparent communication from the core team help build trust, giving users a sense of involvement and belonging in the project's journey. This strong sense of community and shared purpose is why so many people remain loyal to Pi, even as its development stretches on and the wait for trading continues. For millions, Pi isn't just another digital coin. It's a global movement, a social experiment, and a chance to be part of something bigger from the very beginning. If you've browsed Pi forums, you've seen the legendary $314,159 price tag, a playful nod to the number Pi itself. This number is pure community hype, not based on any real trading or market data. It's become a symbol of hope, motivating users to hold on to their coins and dream big. Some even barter goods for Pi at this consensus price, but these are private deals, not real market transactions. The reality, with 100 billion coins, a 300,000 plus price would make Pi worth more than the global economy. It's a fun fantasy, but we need to focus on realistic numbers. Let's look at what Pi might actually be worth. While the 314 and 159 dream is fun, Pi IOUs promises to deliver real Pi in the future, are trading on small exchanges. These IOUs are risky. You're betting the exchange can deliver real Pi when the open mainnet launches. IOU prices are volatile and speculative, not official or stable. At their peak, IOUs traded for dozens of dollars, but by late 2025, they dropped below 50 cents. This shows how hype fades and reality sets in. IOU prices reflect speculation, not real utility or demand. The low trading volume is another red flag for major exchanges. Ultimately, Pi's true value will be set by real supply and demand, not IOU bets or community dreams. With millions of users, why isn't Pi on Binance or Coinbase yet? The main reason, Pi is still in its enclosed mainnet phase, so coins can't be moved outside the Pi app. Exchanges require coins to be depositable and withdrawable, impossible for Pi right now. The Pi team wants to ensure the ecosystem is mature and users are verified before opening up. Major exchanges also have strict listing standards, reviewing technology, security, and team credibility. Pi's core team requires exchanges to pass their own compliance checks, adding another hurdle. The team is focused on a careful, controlled launch, not a rushed listing. Centralization is a big concern for exchanges considering Pi. Of the 100 billion Pi coins, 35 billion are reserved for the core team and foundation, a huge share in few hands. This concentration raises fears of a sudden sell-off, which could crash the price and hurt investors. Exchanges prefer projects with transparent distributed token allocations and slow team vesting schedules. Pi's current setup makes exchanges cautious. Another issue, low liquidity. Pi IOU trading volume is small compared to its massive user base. Major exchanges need high liquidity to support millions of traders. Until Pi proves it can handle real trading volume, top exchanges may hold back. Decentralization and liquidity are key to getting listed. Imagine Pi finally launches its open mainnet after years of anticipation and speculation. Now picture it getting listed on major exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, instantly putting Pi in front of millions of eager crypto traders worldwide. History shows that when new coins debut on top exchanges, prices can surge dramatically. This is what's known as the Binance effect. With hundreds of millions of potential buyers and traders, demand for Pi could absolutely skyrocket in a matter of hours. Early Pi miners who have been waiting for this moment would finally have a real opportunity to sell their coins, leading to wild price swings and intense volatility as the market tries to find a fair value. In the past, coins listed on Binance have jumped 40% or even more in a single day, sometimes within just minutes of trading. Some analysts predict Pi could debut at $3 to $5, and with enough hype and demand, maybe even touch $10 in the early frenzy. A major exchange listing would give Pi real legitimacy and utility, transforming it from a closed experiment into a tradable, recognized asset on the global stage. If this happens, it could even pave the way for everyday spending with Pi, finally bringing the project's original vision of a widely used digital currency to life. Predicting Pi's future price is pure speculation, but here's what some analysts think. If Pi launches on major exchanges, initial prices could range from $3 to $10, depending on hype and market conditions. If Pi's ecosystem grows and real-world use takes off, long-term prices of $20, $50 by 2030 aren't out of the question. The real test is whether Pi can deliver on its promises and become a true digital currency. Some dream of 100 plugs by 2050, but that would require global adoption and overcoming huge challenges. These predictions are more about ambition than reality. For now, Pi's future is all about execution. So, what will really decide Pi's value? 3 things: real-world adoption, regulatory acceptance, and genuine utility. A big exchange listing is just the start. The real challenge is getting people to actually use Pi for goods and services. The more Pi is used, the more valuable it becomes. Regulatory compliance is crucial for global reach, which is why the team is careful with KYC and exchange vetting. Pi's value depends on whether it solves real problems and powers useful apps. Hype can create a price spike, but only real utility creates lasting value. The future of Pi will be written by its users, not just its code.